Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn a bird's design. So for this we need pencil, eraser, sharpener. We need a paper or cloth. I'm doing on the canvas bag. We need acrylic paints and thin brushes. I'm painting on a canvas bag, so I am using fabric paints because bag sometimes we wash. So fabric paint is better for bag. So let's start. So in boho art, the edges are very prominent and they are normally thick. All outlines are very prominent. Make all the outlines little thick. I'm making the outlines very prominent, and then we will do the detailing. I'm making all the outlines very thick, and then we'll take a thin brush and we will do the detailing. This is the branch of the tree on which bird is sitting. I've used a thick brush to draw the outline. I'm going to use my 000 number brush now, and I have diluted the paint.
Boho style is a free-spirited aesthetic that mixes different cultures and artistic expressions into an eclectic style with an emphasis on organic elements and nature. When putting together your boho style space, mixing patterns, metal, wood material, animal hides, and trinkets from your travel is highly encouraged.
So big part is over. Okay. Now we'll come to face. These are small curves.
Today, the term bohemian describes someone with an unconventional, often dismissive view of social structures and traditions. Modern boho encompasses trends from the beatnik and hippie areas when the cultural aesthetic was similar to the bohemians, and it still represents a counterculture spread. Often, boho colors are warm, pink, gold, yellow, and orange.
This is very similar to what we do in Madhubani, Khadi Kachni. Our bird's head part is ready.
But there are also plenty of cooler tones too, from turquoise to blue and the green of plants. Bohemian style is all about bright colors.
So we'll fill it with the flowers. Later on I'll move to next step.
The term Bohemian originally referred to Roma gypsies. So, think about all the fun colors and fringes that come to mind.
4 curves and 2 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 2 lines. Just a pattern, nothing special. You can make your own pattern. This side we are drawing a curve, then a straight line on the top of it. This is a curve, then there is a straight line on the top of it, and there are lines in it. Again, this is a curve, straight line and lines in it. It's like a bridge formation.
Traditional farmhouse style usually has a more subtle and neutral color palette. One easy way to easily combine the two styles is to subdue the bright tones of bohemian interiors.
In this also we are going to make flowers.
For your boho farmhouse style, turn orange into rust, pink into a faded ochre, yellow into mustard, and blue into navy.
Now I'm going to do this part. They are the wings. Anyway, everywhere wings are there, but they have drawn them into different style.
These could be textiles, sculptures, or paintings, each helping to foster individually. In addition to the handmade, we'll also find plenty of natural elements. This comes in the form of fabrics like burlap and sisal, as well as plants.
Tail we will divide into many parts, and then we will paint it. We can take any pattern. I am taking the line pattern. So there are 5 major lines, and in between there will be thin lines.
Boho style is characterized by several key elements that create its unique aesthetic. These elements include an abundance of long, loose layers.
This is the center one. I am making more lines in this.
Boho is an abbreviation for Bohemian homeless. That means nomads from the Bohemian region. These nomads were of gypsy ethnicity. This is why the boho style or boho chic is also called gypsy style. Bohemian nomads had a style and values very different from the other societies of the time.
Fabric paint, we should never put a thick layer, otherwise it peels off. So we should always put a thin layer of paint, then it will appear as if it is a print. If it is a thick layer, it will come out. Something like this, and if you want something you can do on the other side also. So it's just the addition of colors. Here we can do with this our bird is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the information about my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.